There are people in America making more money than doctors, lawyers, and engineers.
What?
And you've never heard their job title. They don't wear suits, they don't sit in offices, and they don't post about their day on social media. They climb hundreds of feet into the sky, build the machines that build entire cities. They disappear before anyone even notices. And today, I'm exposing one of the quietest, rarest, and highest paying skilled trades in America. And once you hear the numbers, you'll understand why no one talks about it. Let me say this clearly. If you were raised believing that college equals success, that 6 figures requires a degree, that skilled trades are just a backup plan, this video is going to challenge everything you've ever been told. Because there's a trade where workers are earning $150,000 a year, all the way up to $200,000 a year, and sometimes even more.
Buckle up, baby, are you kidding me?
Without any college debt. Just discipline, skill, and a responsibility most people cannot even handle. This is the truth about tower crane erectors and dismantlers, and why they're quietly one of the highest paid skilled trades in the country. What's up guys, I'm Charles. This is BIGPay Trades, and before we go any further, you need to understand where this information is coming from. I have over 30 years of real skilled trades experience. I've been in different unions and I've worked on major job sites across the country, and I've worked besides these trades for decades. I've talked with tower crane erectors and dismantlers face to face. I've watched them work in real conditions. I've seen the pressure, the risk, the responsibility, and the pay firsthand. So when I tell you this trade is different, I'm not repeating something I read online. I'm speaking from experience. Now let's get into it. Every time you see a skyscraper going up, a hospital, a stadium, a massive high-rise, there's one thing they all have in common: a tower crane. But here's what most people don't understand. Tower cranes don't arrive fully assembled. They don't just show up overnight. They're built on site, piece by piece, hundreds of feet in the air. And the people who do that work are tower crane erectors and dismantlers. They're not crane operators, they're the ones who build the crane itself. They assemble massive steel sections, install counterweights, connect jib sections, rig components weighing tens of thousands of pounds, often in a tight urban space, often with wind pushing against it, and often with zero room for error. And if they make a mistake, entire projects shut down. Developers lose millions per day, and insurance companies panic. That's the level of responsibility we're talking about today. This is why this trade pays what it pays. Now here's the question. If this job pays so well, why doesn't anyone talk about it? Well, there's a few reasons. First, it's super dangerous. People love to glamorize safe jobs. They don't glamorize risk. Second, it's a small, tight-knit trade. This isn't an electrician or HVAC where thousands of people enter every year. This trade runs on trust, reputation, and proven experience. The people doing this work are too busy making money to talk about it online. This isn't a trade built on hype, it's built on silence, and silence protects opportunity. Now, let's talk about the part everyone really cares about, the pay. Entry-level helpers might start anywhere from $25 to $40 an hour. That's just to get your foot in the door. But once you get experience, that's where the things change fast. Experienced tower crane erectors routinely earn $60 to $90 an hour, sometimes even more, especially in a union setting, and that's just the base rate. Now add in overtime, time and a half, double time on weekends, travel pay, per diem, paid hotels, hazard pay. It is not uncommon for seasoned workers to earn $150,000 a year. $200,000 a year is realistic. And on heavy travel schedules, some clear $250,000 or more a year. No degree, no student loans, just rare skill. And here's something most people miss. This trade doesn't punish you for getting older, it rewards experience. The longer you stay, the more valuable you become. So why do companies pay whatever it takes? Because delays are expensive. A tower crane delay can cost $10,000, $20,000, even $50,000 per day. Missed deadlines, penalty clauses, and investor pressure. So when a qualified erector says, "This is my rate," the answer is usually, "When can you start?" Because replacing skill at this level is nearly impossible. Now let's be honest, this job is not safe. You're working hundreds of feet in the air, exposed to wind, handling massive steel components, operating in tight tolerances. One mistake can cost lives. That's why training is strict. That's why crews are selective, and that's why the pay reflects the risk. High risk, high responsibility, and high reward. Now, let's talk about the lifestyle, because this is where people get it twisted. This is not a 9-to-5 job. You will travel, you'll miss holidays, you'll work long hours, and you may be gone for weeks at a time. But here's what you gain: paid flights, paid housing, per diem, and massive saving potential. Many workers grind hard for months, stack money aggressively, and then take extended time off with cash in the bank. A lot of cash. This is temporary intensity for long-term freedom. Most tower crane erectors work union, and union pay in this trade is no joke. High hourly wages, strong benefits, health insurance, and pensions. This is how people retire with dignity, not desperation. Now, how do you actually get into this trade? There's no shortcut. Most come from ironworking, rigging, crane crews, heavy construction backgrounds. You start as a helper, you learn rigging, you prove reliability, and you show you can work safely at height. This trade runs on reputation. Once you're trusted, you're in demand nationwide. In the future, it's only getting better. Cities are building taller, infrastructure spending is increasing, and mega projects aren't slowing down. Meanwhile, fewer young workers want jobs like this. This means less competition and more leverage for the people who can do the work. This trade isn't being automated, and it sure isn't being outsourced, and it's not being replaced by AI, I can guarantee you that. Steel still has to go up, and someone still has to build the crane. Let me leave you with this. This job isn't for people looking for comfort, it's for people looking for control. If you want high income, no college debt, a rare, future-proof skill, tower crane erector and dismantler might be one of the best kept secrets in the skilled trades, and that's exactly why the pay stays so high. If this video opened your eyes, hit the like button, subscribe to BIGPay Trades, and comment below what trade I should expose next. I'm JV Charles, and this is BIGPay Trades. Take care.